What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another exciting video on the Mosh Mob channel.
Woohoo!
Today we are out here down Tropicana and Decatur at Charlie Frias Park. I believe that's the name of it. So we're gonna give you guys a look around to show you guys what's good about this park. So I'm excited to get around. We're just gonna show you guys a little bit of tour of the area, and that'll be the video. I'll put some music behind it, and it's gonna be super exciting.
Hope you're having an awesome day. Stay smiling, people.
Peace and love. Nice to meet you, man. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, we're doing a YouTube video right now, filming and
You
stuff.
get paid, man?
Not yet, but we're working on it. Eventually, we'll get there.
Hey, I will support you, man. Appreciate you.
I appreciate you.
What's your name, brother? Every day. What's your name? My name's Kevin.
Kevin?
Justin, bro. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'm Mosh.
That's Mosh.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, appreciate you, bro. Maybe we see you.
Definitely, that'd be
Yeah,
cool.
man. Take it
Stay
easy.
safe, brother.